English you can live in. Bus time. I check the route on my app today. Transfers and stops show the way. Bus comes quick. I tap my card. I find my seat. It's not too hard. Some buses skip streets, some make all. I watch the map to avoid a stall. Schedules change. I stay alert. I ask the driver if unsure. No hurt. I hop off at the right spot. Traveling smart. I learn a lot. Buses make the city small. I ride with ease. I see it all. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.